Disclaimer: the material published on this channel is intended for general information only and is not legal advice or other professional advice. Any opinions expressed in this material only for the purpose of the general information and owner's personal opinion that is not effective in any court of law. Throughout history, women have played a crucial role in shaping societies and driving progress in various fields. Despite facing significant challenges and discrimination, women have continuously demonstrated resilience, creativity, and leadership. Their contributions span across education, healthcare, politics, arts, science, and more, profoundly impacting the world we live in today. Historical perspective: ancient civilizations. In ancient civilizations, women held various roles that were vital to the sustenance and advancement of their societies. For instance, in ancient Egypt, women enjoyed considerable rights and could own property, initiate divorce, and engage in business. Prominent figures like Hatshepsut, one of the few female pharaohs, demonstrated women's capabilities in leadership and governance. Similarly, in ancient Greece, women like Aspasia, who was a companion to Pericles, influenced philosophical and political thought. Although Greek society was predominantly patriarchal, women's contributions in domestic and public spheres were indispensable. Medieval period. During the medieval period, women's roles were often confined to domestic duties, yet they made significant contributions in various areas. Women like Hildegard of Bingen, a polymath and Benedictine abbess, made strides in music, medicine, and theology. Her works remain influential, showcasing the intellectual capabilities of women in an era dominated by male scholars. Renaissance and Enlightenment. The Renaissance and Enlightenment periods marked significant shifts in thinking, leading to increased recognition of women's intellectual and artistic contributions. Women like Artemisia Gentileschi, a renowned painter, and Mary Wollstonecraft, an advocate for women's rights, challenged societal norms and paved the way for future generations. Wollstonecraft's seminal work, A Vindication of the Rights of Women, laid the groundwork for modern feminist thought. Education, breaking barriers. Education has been a powerful tool for women to achieve equality and empowerment. Historically, access to education for women was limited, but persistent efforts by pioneering women and supportive men led to significant changes. For instance, Malala Yousafzai, a Pakistani activist, became a global symbol for girls' education after surviving an assassination attempt by the Taliban. Her advocacy has inspired millions and highlighted the transformative power of education. Academic achievements. Women have excelled in various academic fields, breaking stereotypes and contributing to advancements in knowledge. Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry, exemplifies the impact of women in science. Her discoveries in radioactivity have had lasting implications for medicine, energy, and technology. In the field of literature, authors like Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf, and Toni Morrison have left indelible marks. Their works explore complex themes of identity, gender, and society, influencing literary traditions and cultural discourse. Healthcare, nursing and medical pioneers. Women have been at the forefront of healthcare, often serving as primary caregivers and nurses. Florence Nightingale, known as the founder of modern nursing, revolutionized the field with her emphasis on sanitation, statistics, and compassionate care. Her legacy continues in the principles and practices of nursing education and hospital management today. Medical research and practice. Women have also made groundbreaking contributions to medical research and practice. Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell, the first woman to receive a medical degree in the United States, opened the doors for women in medicine. Rosalind Franklin's critical work on the structure of DNA, though initially overlooked, has been recognized as foundational to modern genetics. In recent times, women like Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett have been instrumental in developing vaccines, such as her significant role in the creation of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. Her work demonstrates the essential contributions of women in addressing global health challenges. Politics and leadership, trailblazers. Women's participation in politics and leadership has grown significantly over the past century. Trailblazers like Srimavo Bandaranaike, the world's first female Prime Minister, and Margaret Thatcher, the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, broke political glass ceilings and demonstrated women's leadership capabilities. Modern leaders. In contemporary times, women like Angela Merkel, the long-serving Chancellor of Germany, and Jacinda Ardern, the Prime Minister of New Zealand, have garnered international respect for their effective governance and crisis management. Their leadership during global challenges, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, has underscored the importance of diverse perspectives in politics. Arts and culture, visual arts. Women artists have long contributed to the rich tapestry of visual arts. From Frida Kahlo's deeply personal and politically charged paintings to Yayoi Kusama's avant-garde installations, women have challenged artistic conventions and brought unique perspectives to the art world. Performing arts. In the performing arts, women like Meryl Streep and Beyoncé have achieved acclaim for their talent and influence. They have used their platforms to address social issues, advocate for gender equality, and inspire future generations of artists. Literature and media. In literature and media, women have shaped cultural narratives and fostered critical dialogue. Oprah Winfrey's impact as a media mogul and philanthropist has been profound, promoting education, empowerment, and social change. Female journalists and writers continue to shed light on important issues, driving progress through their storytelling and advocacy. Science and technology, innovators and inventors. Women have made significant strides in science and technology, often overcoming substantial obstacles. Ada Lovelace, considered the first computer programmer, laid the groundwork for modern computing. Education and mentorship. To build on the achievements of women throughout history, continued focus on education and mentorship is crucial. Providing girls and young women with access to quality education and role models in various fields can empower them to pursue their ambitions and contribute meaningfully to society. Initiatives like STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, programs specifically aimed at girls are essential in breaking down gender barriers and encouraging participation in traditionally male-dominated fields. Policy and legal reforms. Policy and legal reforms that promote gender equality are fundamental in creating an inclusive society. This includes ensuring equal pay, preventing discrimination, and supporting work-life balance through measures like parental leave and flexible working hours. Governments and organizations must commit to implementing and enforcing policies that protect and promote women's rights. Representation and leadership. Increasing the representation of women in leadership positions across all sectors is vital. Diverse leadership leads to more comprehensive decision-making and better outcomes. Programs that support women in ascending to leadership roles, such as leadership training and networking opportunities, can help bridge the gap. Global collaboration. Addressing global challenges requires collaboration and the inclusion of diverse perspectives. International organizations and coalitions must work together to promote women's rights and gender equality. This includes supporting women's education, healthcare, and economic opportunities in developing countries. Cultural change. Cultural change is necessary to dismantle deep-seated gender biases and stereotypes. Media, education systems, and community leaders play a significant role in shaping societal attitudes. Promoting positive representations of women and challenging harmful stereotypes can foster a culture of equality and respect. Conclusion. Women's contributions to society are immeasurable and integral to the progress and prosperity of communities worldwide. Recognizing and celebrating these contributions, while continuing to advocate for gender equality, ensures that future generations of women can thrive and make their mark on the world. As we move forward, it is imperative to create an inclusive environment where everyone, regardless of gender, has the opportunity to contribute and succeed. The end of this video and the journey begins here.